Governor of the Bank of the Lao People's Democratic Republic, Mr. Sithphaxay, responds to questions raised by National Assembly members. On Friday, August the 6th, according to him, the central bank was keen to roll out essential measures to ensure that the correct currency exchange rates were used across all exchange outlets. Responding to questions by National Assembly members during an extraordinary session of the 9th Legislature on Friday, Bank of the Lao PDR Governor Mr. Sithphaxay said, to this end, the Bank of the Lao PDR as the national bank has informed currency exchange units that have been granted a business license that their operations must come under the supervision of a commercial bank within 3 months. If they fail to do this within the set time frame, their licenses will be revoked. Mr. Sithphaxay reiterated that the central bank, on behalf of the government, would also prioritize improvements to the strategic policy on the management of businesses engaged in currency exchange to ensure that more foreign currencies circulated within the banking system. Mr. Sonexay told National Assembly members the bank would amend the law on foreign currency management and that changes will be submitted to the ordinary session of the National Assembly scheduled for the end of this year for approval. He said the management of these payments at border crossings in specific and special economic zones and at markets will be strengthened to better regulate cash flows in the banking system. He also responded to questions by National Assembly members about better access to finance by MSMEs and SMEs who observed that funding had been made available, but that borrowers needed training in the management of loans. Mr. Sonexay responded to questions about the repayment of money by borrowers during the COVID crisis, saying repayments would be dealt with according to borrowers' individual circumstances and that negotiations were possible. Other items tabled for debate during the Assembly's extraordinary session from August 5th to 10th includes amendments to the laws on tax, value-added tax, income tax, excess tax, and drugs. The move is part of ongoing efforts by the central bank to stabilize the value of the key as one of the several unresolved issues relating to financial matters. The difference in currency exchange rates offered on the open market and at banks has been a controversial issue for some time and has been a topic of discussion among members of the public and at business meetings.